Well met, explorers. Welcome to the Kingdom Quest series, Experience to Level. We will continue to explore how to level our faith and find ways to connect with God. Don't worry, there is no one-size-fits-all formula for this, because God knows us well enough to offer ways that speak to each of us. If you feel something's missing, the tutorial guide, Introduction to Faith, might be able to help. Through the NIV Student Bible, we are going to look at the main points of each book of the Old and New Testament over the next several weeks. At level 7, we continue to read how God led the Israelites from a line of kings to rebuilding Jerusalem through a priest, a builder, and a Jewish captive who was chosen to be a queen of Persia. As we continue the books of history, 2 Kings continues the record of the rulers of the divided kingdom. None of the northern kings followed God consistently, and so Israel was finally destroyed by an invader. The south, Judah, lasted much longer, but finally Babylon conquered it and deported its citizens. 1 Chronicles opens with the most complete record of the lines of family origin in the Bible, then adds many of the noteworthy events from the line of David, often the same as those in 2 Samuel. 2 Chronicles. Often matching the books of Kings, this book records the history of the rulers of Judah, giving attention to the good kings. Ezra. After being held captive in Babylon for decades, the Jews were allowed to return to their homeland. Ezra, a priest, emerged from one of the first waves of refugees. Nehemiah. Nehemiah returned from the Babylonian captivity after the temple had been rebuilt. He concentrated on restoring the protective wall around Jerusalem and joined Ezra in leading a religious revival. Esther. This story is set among captive Jews in Persia. A courageous Jewish queen foiled a plan to exterminate her people. As the Holy Spirit guides us in each solo, daily, and weekly quest along our path, we discover more by reading the Bible and praying every day. Let me know which book has caught your attention in the comments so far. As we seek the kingdom and share this quest, each and every one of you are always welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen as we explore this journey together.